Alright, so my voice is giving out a little bit. It's kind of a hard one to sing, but it's one of my favorites. It's called I Hope It Rains. You execute your moves full well knowing what you do, so I'm not gonna change your mind. But try I do, though you pray that I might find my love another way. And then you drive away. I hope it rains if you send me running from my life, so you don't get to see me cry. I hope it rains when I come running after you. I'm running the rear view, and I hope it rains. I hope it rains. I hope it rains. And I hope it rains. I hope it rains. I hope it rains. I walk you down the stairs in the broken heart I wear, like a warrior's shield. But weak am I not to try to catch your gaze before goodbye. And then you drive away. I hope it rains if you send me running from my life, so you don't get to see me cry. And I hope it rains when I come running after you. I'm running the rear view, and I hope it rains. I hope it rains, and I hope it rains. And I hope it rains. I hope it rains. I hope it rains. And I hope